guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you subscribed before, thank you. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys some tips on how to get rid of fat tummy and how to achieve that tiny sexy tummy. So guys, first of all, what we'll be needing lime orange, we'll be needing ginger, and we'll be needing cucumber. So guys, this routine is so simple, guys. Yes, it's so simple. Actually, this is what I take almost every day, so I decided to share it with you guys. To peel off my ginger. So after peeling my ginger, I'm going to cut it into tiny pieces and I'm going to store them into the bottle, and I'm going to repeat the same thing to the citron and the cucumber. So guys, after I finish cutting them into tiny pieces, I'm going to store them into my bottle and I'm going to add some water and I'm going to leave it overnight, guys. It's really important to leave it overnight so that they can absorb into the water, they can blend together. Yes, that's where you will get a very nice result, guys. You need to leave it overnight, and after I finish, you need to wash it very well, guys. You need to wash your citron, you need to wash your cucumber, and before cutting it, you really need to wash it. And let me advise, guys, whenever you are trying to go for a journey, like you want to get that you want to work on your tummy, I will advise you stop eating night food. I will advise you stop your night food. If you used to eat by night before, I will advise you stop it. And secondly, I will advise you stay away from juice. Yes guys, I will advise you stay away from juice. Drink a lot of water. Like me, I usually drink this. I drink it twice in a day. Yes guys, I promise you you are going to see the result, because I've been using this and it has really worked for me. So guys, why not give it a try? Yeah. So guys, yeah, this is the next day after letting it sit for all through the night. I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, I'm going to mix it really well so that they can mix together. So after mixing it together, guys, I'm just going to take a little portion of it, like I'm going to take it at my breakfast. Actually guys, this is what I take for my breakfast, and I also took it as well at dinner. Yes guys, after eating, I'm just going to watch my dinner, like I'm going to watch every this guys. I promise this is going to work for you because I've been taking this, is actually really working for me. So guys, yeah, so guys, hope you enjoy this home remedy on a bit of fat tummy. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and share. Bye bye.